Good afternoon. Welcome back. It's always a pleasure to make a video for you. I'm just coming on quickly to give you an AliExpress metal die cutting haul. So I've made a few of them so I can give you some examples of what they really look like. First of all, I got myself this little one here, this little dress with the 3 tops, which are really lovely. Really love that. That's absolutely beautiful. I love that. And I made a little dress out of that, the top and the skirt, and I put a little band around the waist. You could do so much with it, really. Put a little bow or a little flower, you know, anything. You can put some glitter or some diamantes, whatever you want. So that's really pretty. I love that. So that one is that. Really happy with that. And the next one is I got some borders as well, which in to maybe do some pocket letters and journaling and stuff, maybe some very small cards as well. And they're really nice, really pretty, and that's come out really nice. That's come out really nice. As I said, it's just a quick haul, so I'm going to make it as quick as I can. The other one I got was the little champagne glass, which I really like. Well, if I didn't like them, I wouldn't buy them, would I? So, and I did die cut it in the black. It's got all the bubbles up, coming up the glass, inside the glass, but I think maybe a silver cardstock would look nice with that. So that's that one. And the next one is, which I like, is this wording, life is good. And I made that. Let me get some white paper so you can have a look at it a little bit better. That's better. There we go. Really lovely. Really good quality as well. And they die cut really well. There was no trouble there, no problems. This one took some poking, had to poke out all the bits. And I do have one of those Sizzix brushes to get out all the bits and pieces out of the intricate bits. But I chose to use a little pokey tool, and that worked perfect. So that one is really nice as well. Next is beautiful, isn't it? And I made that out of it. It's a bit bendy because of the cardstock, but it's really nice. I like that. And then we have the lip. The big fat lips. Really did like that one, and I had to get it. So really pleased with that. And then we have the ice cream, and I did one, and I used some paper with the strawberries on it as the ice cream, and did the cone in a cream cardstock, and I really do like that as well. I like all of them, so that one. And we have the girl. I only did her in one block colour, so I'm going to experiment with her outfits. I'm going to die cut the pieces, cut them out, and build her up for different clothing. So that's why I got that one, because that'll be really interesting to build up. Okay, and then we've got the cake as well. I did an experiment with the cake. I thought that would look nice, different layers, and I built that up. So you could do it in any colour. It's really interesting because it's amazing because you can do so much with the building up of the dies. Then I have my shoe, and I did die cut her. I die cut the heel and I added that on in gold. And then we've got the hat to match, not necessarily to match, but it's quite themed together. And I also die cut the hat, and I die cut the top of it in gold, and I glued that on. So I think that looks really nice together. Yep. Then my crowns, which I really love, and I die cut that in gold and that one in gold as well. So I'm really pleased, absolutely pleased with them. And this was that leaf with the flower, and I die cut that. It comes with another piece, an added piece as well, the petal. So I die cut that, and I die cut the petals in white, and I glued those on, so it gives the buds a nice lift. The green, the white on the green gives it a really nice lift. So I was pleased with that. And then last but not least, I got myself a coffee cup, and I die cut my coffee cup like that. And that's got the cream lid with the steam coming out and the gold part. And that you get, once you die cut this piece, you get the heart. And that's really nice because you could just use that for an embellishment on something. So that's really nice. That's an added bonus for that. But I do really like my coffee cup. I can do so much with that. Yep, so that's that. Thank you for stopping by. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the red bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a lovely weekend, what's left of it. Bye for now.